Friends, today's topic is ways and means advances. Ways and means advances are short term loan facilities provided by the Reserve Bank of India to the central and state governments. The primary purpose of WMA is to bridge temporary mismatches between the government's receipts and payments. For example, government revenues such as taxes may be received later, while expenditures like salaries, pensions, and subsidies must be paid immediately. Thus, WMA acts as a temporary liquidity support mechanism rather than a source of long term budget financing. The main objective of WMA is to help governments manage temporary cash shortages without disturbing normal financial operations. These advances ensure that essential government payments, such as salaries, pensions, subsidies, and welfare expenditures, continue without interruption. A ways and means advance must normally be repaid within 90 days from the date of borrowing. The borrowing limits under WMA are determined periodically by the Reserve Bank of India in consultation with the government. Governments are also required to maintain a prescribed minimum balance with the RBI, and WMA provides support whenever temporary cash shortages arise. The interest rate on normal WMA is equal to the prevailing repo rate announced by the RBI. Under the special WMA, also known as the Special Drawing Facility, the interest rate is 1 percentage point below the repo rate, provided the borrowing is backed by government securities or treasury bills. If the government exceeds the approved WMA limit or fails to repay the advance within 90 days, the borrowing is treated as an overdraft. An overdraft attracts an interest rate that is 2 percentage points above the repo rate. The central government must clear an overdraft within 10 consecutive working days, while state governments are generally required to clear it within 14 consecutive working days. Also helps the government avoid frequent and expensive short-term borrowings from the open market, thereby maintaining stability in financial markets. Ways and means advances ensure that important government commitments, such as salaries, pensions, subsidies, and development expenditures, are made on time without interruption. Another important point is that when the government utilizes around 75% of its WMA limit, the RBI may advise or initiate the flotation of fresh market loans to ensure adequate funding and prudent cash management. Thanks for watching.